How to install Google Analytics on WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can install WordPress. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on Google Analytics, and as you can see I've already created an account, and to create an account it's very simple. All you have to do is just log in with your Google account and you're good to go. After that, I've already have an account, so let me just go ahead and create a new directory. So this is where you will be when you first create an account, this is where you will land. This page is going to be where you are going to be shown. So over here you're just going to set up a property. You're just simply going to have to enter in a bunch of details that you can see over here. So over here, as you can see, we have property set up. We just simply have to enter in the name of the property, set up a time zone and some US dollars. So it's pretty simple. It's really easy. So over here, for this one, you are going to need a website. I already have a website, so we are good to go. So it's pretty simple. So over here, just simply add in the name. It can be anything. It can be the name of your website. So just add in TSU website, right? And then just change your time zone to your respected time zone. And then you can also change the currency, and once that's done, just simply click on continue, and then you just simply have to tell them about your business. So some basic business information: what the industry does your business fall into, how many employees does your business have, why do you want to use Google Analytics. So let's go ahead and fill this out. So in industry, just choose all these different categories that your business falls into, choose whichever one it falls into, and you'll be good to go. So let's just say that our business falls into computers and electronics, and we have a business, size of 1 to 10 employees. Now, how do I want to use Google Analytics with my business? Well, over here, we have to check all these boxes that, match our requirements. So measure customer engagements with a site or app. Yes, I would like to have that. Optimize my site and app experience. Yes. Measure data across multiple devices. I don't think I would need that. Optimize my advertising costs. Yeah, sure, I would definitely need that. Increase my conversions, of course, and some other things that all fall into my business. And then just simply click on create, and then just wait for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds, and boom, you have yourself a property that you just created. Now over here, the next step is to set up a data stream so that Google Analytics can start collecting data and can measure your conversion, your views, how your website is working, how many viewers you're getting, how many advertisements you're costing, and how you can better all of them and how you can optimize all of them. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So over here, we need to choose a platform that we want. So it can be a web, can be Android app, or it can be an iOS app. It all depends on you. For this one, since we are uploading it onto WordPress, so of course it's a website. So we're just simply going to choose web over here, and over here we just simply have to enter in the URL of our website. So over here, just enter in the URL of your website, and over here just enter in your stream name, and then you are good to go. And down below you can see what this is measuring. So currently Google Analytics will be measuring views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagements, file downloads, and stuff like that. And then just simply click on create stream. Once that's done, give it a few seconds, and boom, your stream has now been created. Now, how do you basically install it onto other platforms? It's really simple. Down below you have your add-ons over here, so you need to add this a little script into your WordPress website. It's very simple to install. Now there are basically two ways to install it. You could just simply have to go ahead and copy all of this, and once you come over here, all right, onto your WordPress dashboard, you just simply go into your, I would say, pages, all right, and you could manually do that. So manually edit all of these pages. So edit this page over here, and then just simply add in your snippet by editing it with Elementor. You could do that, or because that would take quite a long time, so we're not going to be doing that because that's quite a lot of pages, and to do them all over again on each single page is going to be very time consuming. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the plugin section over here. We're going to install a new plugin. Now over here, as you can see, all the plugins are over here. We're going to click on add new plugin, and we're going to install a plugin called header footer manager. Over here, header footer code manager, this is the plugins that we want by 99 robots. It's really good. We just simply have to install this plugin and activate it. Now if you're wondering what this plugin will do, it will do all of that thing automatically that we were gonna do. Instead of, pasting the code one by one onto each page and each website manually, what this will allow us to do is we'll just simply, add the code over here, and this plugin will do all of that for us. So as you can see, the plugin has been installed. We'll go into settings, all right? And over here, we can add a new snippet over here at the top. And over here, we add in the snippet name. So it can be a G tag over here. And over here, the snippet type is going to be JavaScript, because as you see over here, it's a G tag. It says global site tag G tag.js. So it's a, JavaScript. And then over here we select site wide, so which means that every single site is going to have this code, which is good. Every single page is going to have this code, which is good. And then you can exclude a bunch of pages, or exclude posts if you want, and you can add the location of where you want, so header or footer. So we're going to choose header because we want this snippet to be added on every single pages, every single header. And then at the bottom we just simply paste the code over here in this giant box. We paste it over here and we just click on save, and boom, that's pretty much it. That's basically it. There you go. Your snippet has been added onto the site wide, and now you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's how you install the Google's Analytics onto WordPress. Now, if you're wondering if you were to add it onto another site, such as a Wix website, if you're wondering if you were to add it onto a Wix website, it's pretty simple as well. Let me just show you over here. Let me open it up. So over here, these are all of my sites. So let's say I would want to go into my sites over here, and I want to go into the dashboard of the premium site. You're going to need a premium site for this, otherwise it's not going to work. And over here, what you're going to need to do is you're going to come down to marketing and SEO, and underneath marketing and SEO, you will see marketing integrations. Now, what you're going to need to do is just simply open it up. All right. And you will see Google Analytics over here. So as you can see, I've already connected it, but it's pretty simple. Let me just show you. So you just simply click on view, and you will see this option, add Google Analytics ID. Now, where do you find this ID? It's pretty simple. You go back to your Google Analytics, website, your Google Analytics account. Over here, you will see the measurement ID, which starts with a G and then a bunch of numbers. What you're going to need to do is just simply copy this number and then go back to your Wix website, and then just simply click over here, add Google Analytics ID, and just paste the code and click on done. After a couple of seconds, it will be done and it will show connected. So it's pretty simple. It's really good. So that's how you basically do it on the Wix website. Any other website other than Wix, I think any other website other than Wix, Squarespace websites, any other than that, you're gonna have to go with the method number one, which is how you paste the script, the Google tag, in the scripts folder as a snippet. So that's how you do it. That's how you basically install a Google Analytics on WordPress. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.